All right, everybody, let's talk about Jamboard. Jamboard is a program that we're going to be using a lot during this virtual environment because it's a really great program to collaborate on things. We can all put our ideas on there, we can put drawings, and I'm just going to show you how to use it. So the first feature is the pen feature. Since you guys have touchscreen Chromebooks, you'll be able to use this feature to draw with your finger right on the screen and write things. Draw pictures, circle something, whatever you want to do. So here, I'm just going to write, "Hi everyone." Now I use my iPad, so I'm using an Apple Pencil, so it might be a little bit hard for you to write with your finger, but I wanted to give you that option to use that tool. All right, the next tool that we're using is the eraser, which does exactly what it says it does. You write something, you're like, "Oh, don't like that," go ahead and erase it. We can also use the eraser to clear the whole frame. I would like it if you guys didn't use that tool because we are going to be collaborating and you don't want to get rid of your classmates' work. All right, the next tool is the select tool. So with this, you can draw a circle around something, select it. If you need to move it, resize it, something like that, this will allow you to do that. So maybe you wrote a comment or you drew a picture and you're like, "Oh crap, that's way too big." You can use that tool to change it. All right. Our next tool is our disappearing drawing tool. So maybe we're having a discussion and we're screen sharing and I want to circle and point something out, but I don't want that circle to stay. I can use that tool to quickly point something out, but know that it's not going to stay there permanently. All right, we can change the color of our pen as well. I think it'd be a good idea when we're collaborating that you use different colors. Now the plus sign, we can insert different things. Here, I'm going to add a sticky note. With a sticky note, I can type a message and put it on the screen. So if you're not so comfortable with drawing on your screen, but you want to add a comment, the sticky note is a great way to do that. And you can move the sticky note around to put it closer to whatever you're commenting on. You can add images from Google image searches. So if I wanted to put graph paper onto the screen so I could draw a graph to help illustrate what I'm talking about, I can search graph paper on Google, make it the size that I want, and then I can use my pen tool to draw right on top of that graph paper. So here I'm drawing my X and Y axis, not very nice looking lines, but you get the idea. The next one that we can use is our Drive contents. So if I have something saved on my Google Drive, which you all have, I could upload that right onto my Jamboard as well. The camera is a tool that I have turned off on my iPad because I don't want to accidentally take a picture of myself when I'm not ready. But you guys can use the camera on your Chromebook to insert an image, maybe of some notes that you wrote down on paper. The image library is also a tool that you can use, and this will take images directly off of your device. So if I wanted to, say, put a picture of some notes that I took, or in this case, I'll put a picture of my daughter doing what we call super baby, where she's flying around the room, I can add that right to our Jamboard. I also have the option to use stickers. So if someone does some really good work and I want to say great job, but I don't want to have to write something out, I can put a little thumbs up sticker. Or maybe I don't understand something, so I put a thumbs down. There's a lot of different options for the stickers, and it's a great way to express yourself without having to write a lot, draw a lot. It's a quick self-expression.